Today on Edit Your Stream, I want to show you simple cuts in DaVinci Resolve so you can make your content more interesting. The three I'm going to show you are the straight cut, the L cut, and the J cut. DaVinci Resolve is a free editing software that you can use to create content from your live streams or from pretty much anything. It's definitely the best way to grow your streaming channel. So you know what? Let's get to it! There are basically three main types of cuts that you're going to use. So we'll just use our cuts tool, and the first thing we're going to do is just straight cuts. We're going to straight cut out the beginning and the end. Now we probably don't need to cut out the beginning because I do my little intro, but for this particular purposes we're going to cut it out. So we'll just right click on it and we can do a ripple cut. It will just bring it all the way to the beginning, and we can just cut this back end right here, and you can see when you drag you're going to get the audio. So that helps you to line things up. If you notice, there is some audio in between here that's just empty. So it's basically dead air. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut this right here. And I am going to select this so we can move our clips around. And I'm going to move these up. I'm just going to slide this one in here so that my audio starts basically right when the other audio ends. Now this is called an L cut because you can see that it creates this little L right here. And let me show you how this looks. Eastern Standard Time. We'd love to see you there. But let's get on to the epic moment. So the dialogue actually starts a little bit before this one ends, and believe it or not, that actually works pretty well. Now what we want to do with this next one is we want to do a J cut. So what I'm going to do is go all the way over here to the edge where this is about to start. We're going to make our cut, and we're going to remove this dead air right here by selecting this and move these up here and go like this. We're just going to move this right over to the edge, and this is called a J cut because it kind of goes like this. It goes over top. And this is an L cut because it goes like this. So let's show you what that looks like. In Standard Time. We'd love to see you there. But let's get on to the epic moments. Let's get to it. So it just adds that speed and everything else. It's basically a jump cut, but it allows you to move up the time. Now, if you just wanted to show the dead air in between this one and this one, but have it come in, you can easily do that. What we can do is just bump this up one more space. We'll just drag this down here and move it up under that way. So that way we get kind of a visual pause. And so we're basically adding two L cuts. We'd love to see you there. But let's get on to the epic moments. Let's get to it. So there you go. It really depends on what you find visually interesting. You can also unlink any of these clips. So if I wanted to extend something, and you'll find lots of different ways to do this, but I can just click this unlink right here, and now I can move the audio piece separate from the video piece. If you're worried about syncing it up, well, if I move it like this, it tells me, hey, we're 7 seconds out of sync here. You can just move it back and it will show you how to line up your sync again. And then if I go like this, and I can select both of them, and I can relink those clips. So now they're linked again. That is basically the editing of the J and the L cut that you can do really, really easily to make your videos flow better. That's another simple skill in your editing basket. Is there a piece of the editing puzzle that you'd like me to show you in DaVinci Resolve? Let me know in the comments. And while you're down there, if you're not subscribed, please do. That sort of stuff really does help me continue to make content that helps you. So thanks. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks that can help make you a better live streamer or YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.